We're going to be making a roast dinner in an air fryer. I'm making a roast dinner indoors anyway today. I got my pots out and whatever else. And I thought, well, I've got my air fryer there. What about if we use a bit of chicken, cut the potatoes and a carrot and make a roast dinner in that little air fryer as if it was going to be for one person. So I'm parboiling some potatoes at the moment and I think they're roughly about done now. Check them by pushing that knife in there, nice and soft. Yeah, nice. Give them a couple more minutes, they'll be done. Pull them out and we're going to stick them, oil them up, salt and pepper, season the chicken up, all in there and the carrot at once in the air fryer, 30 minutes, 25 minutes. Will that roast dinner cook in 25 minutes? And then 5 minutes from the end, we're going to go in with a Yorkshire pudding as well. We cheated today, by the way. We bought packed Yorkshire puddings rather than making our own. Listen, time's money in the old building game, as I used to say. But for now, let's then get them in there, get that seasoned up, get that chopped up in there, 25 minutes, bish bosh bash. Can the air fryer cook a perfectly cooked roast dinner? Yes or no? Drizzle of oil on the old chicken. Lovely. We go in, pinch of salt. Nice. A little douse of pepper. Nothing better than salt and pepper chicken. Beautiful, simple, easy to do, very nice. Right, put that in there. That'll go in there. We'll do the same again with our tatters. Look at that, chicken, carrots, potatoes. What are you saying, Ren?
All in the air fryer.
All in the air fryer.
Yes.
Potatoes have been parboiled.
Nice.
Salt and pepper, bit of olive oil. Not too much. You got it?
Yeah.
Right, in we go. Roast dinner 4-1 in the air fryer. We go 20 minutes, and then I'll pull it out and then stick the Yorkshire pudding in at 180. 180, 20 minutes, pull it out, bosh. Yorkshire pudding going in. And whilst I wait for that, I'm going to stick them in because I know you ain't going to do it.
That's going to be good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to eat those.
You said to me you was treating me and you was making dinner
No, I
today.
didn't.
You did,
I've
Ren.
got no problem doing it.
You did. Leave it to me.
Yeah,
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Put it in the air fryer.
Don't worry. They call me the juggler. Time check. Ooh. That's looking good. Look at that little shape. Nice. Back in we go. How long we got left? What's that for, man? Just top that up a little bit there. Promising. The timer's about to go ring a ding. Perfect timing. Look. Oh, straight out of there. Chicken, carrots, potato. Now we're going in with that Yorkshire pudding. Wash that in there. 5 minutes. Fingers crossed. That tastes good and that chicken's cooked as well. So I haven't checked that. I got myself a little Bisto gravy there and we're going to cook that up as well. And then little plate. The wife's gone out for a walk, so looks like it's a meal for one whilst the rest of the dinner's in the oven cooking. Lovely. Chef's treats. Job done. See, these air fryers are so sick here. Simple, pull it out. Bosh. That goes there like that. That goes over there. Little bit of residue going on in there. Nothing whatsoever. Easy to clean out. Let's have a look. Yorkshire pudding. Oh, crunchy. Yorkshire pudding's worth the treat. I've cut that chicken to make sure that it's cooked, which it is. Listen to the skin on that. Nice crispy chicken. Potatoes, nice and soft. Crispy on the outside. And then we've got our carrots. Right, I'll use my other random plate up here and I'll come back to you in a minute. And there you go, look. All of the dripping in there. Little bit of juice, not too much mess whatsoever. Just pull that sleeve out when it's cooled down. We go on top now. Little bit of gravy. Come on. Come on. In the Yorkshire as well. Meal for one. Cooked in the air fryer. Yes, I did cheat and parboil them because I was doing it anyway. But what you could do is stick them in the air fryer for a little bit longer before the chicken goes in, just to soften them. But there you go. A basic chicken roast dinner for one, cooked in an air fryer. I can't get enough of this bad boy.